Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you the easiest 5-minute starter or appetizer recipe ever, and it is the restaurant style butter garlic prawns. And guys, if you have sudden guests at your place, don't stress, make this recipe and everybody will be licking their fingers. So without any further delay, let's make our butter garlic prawns recipe. So guys, to make this delicious mouth-watering starter, let's add half tablespoon of olive oil onto a pan. Now guys, if you don't have olive oil, you can always use regular oil. And now let's add half tablespoon of regular butter. Now guys, if you add only butter without the oil, the butter will tend to burn, and that is why we need to add a little bit of oil. And once the butter is melted, let's add 1.5 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. It came to about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. And now let's cook it at least for 40 to 45 seconds or until you see a slight change in color. After 45 seconds, it's time for us to add about 250 grams of washed and deveined medium-sized prawns. And once we add the prawns or the shrimps, then let's spread them out so that they all get cooked evenly. And now make sure that the flame is on high, and we are going to let them cook for 2 minutes or until you see a slight color change from the bottom. And after 2 minutes, guys, it's time for us to start flipping our prawns. So one by one, let's flip all of our prawns and then turn the flame on medium and cook them again for the next 2 minutes. So guys, after 2 minutes, it's time for us to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, which is kali mirch powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now guys, if you don't have chili flakes, you can always add little red chili powder, followed by half teaspoon of dry parsley. Now guys, again, if you don't have parsley, you can always add mixed Italian herbs, followed by some salt to taste. I'm here adding around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now let's mix everything together and let's cook it for the next 1 minute on a medium flame. Now guys, make sure that you turn on a timer while cooking the prawns, because you do not want to overcook them, otherwise they will become quite chewy. And now it's been 1 minute since we added all of the spices, so it's time for us to add half teaspoon of lime juice and give everything a good mix. And then our dish is ready to serve. So guys, you saw total time was 5 minutes cooking time of the prawns as promised. And now let's serve it out in a serving plate, and I'm telling you, it's going to be absolutely delicious. So do try this recipe. You have no excuse. It hardly takes 5 minutes. Do share the recipe link with your friends and family, and you can always garnish using some fresh coriander leaves or fresh parsley or fresh green onion leaves, and do serve it while it is nice and hot. And I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you enjoy this recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.